The Manchester police are insisting the parish is safe despite a series of back-to-back shootings. The latest gun attack took place last night in Cedar Valley District where 3 men were shot, 1 fatally. It's the 4th murder in 3 days. We spoke with head of the Manchester Police Division, Superintendent Kerry Duncan, who toured the area today.
Heading into the Yuletide season, Manchester will be a safe place for persons to come in and do their businesses. I am holding to that fact that Manchester is in fact still a safe place. What we're seeing here are some targeted events with persons who have disputes with each other, and we're seeing it playing out a particular way. As I said before, we are certainly on top of what is happening in the space, and I just want to reinforce that Manchester is in fact a safe place to come and do your business. As a matter of fact, for the past 3 months, we have seen 1 incident of serious crime in terms of murder. So what we're seeing here now is very unnatural based on the operational output that we have implemented and what we are doing within the space.
With the expected increase in persons flooding the town center for Grant Market, the police say they're ready.
We have on hand our traffic department and our beat officer patrol units, as also our quick response units. And these units, when come together, will certainly allow for the alleviation of the traffic buildup within the space.